Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Made in Asia. Today I have, I wouldn't say some heat because I don't think it's heat, but the hair may be good. It's just, I have this hair from ISEE hair. It is their Mongolian kinky curl. I have a frontal in 20 inches, 3 bundles in 24 and 26 inches. So I have two 26 inches and one 24 inch. It also comes with these little ugly eyelashes and their information card. So I say it's not heat because I have already looked at the frontal, and my lace, I kid you not, was grayish when I went to go bleach my knots because I was doing something and I made a big batch of bleach. So I was like, I'm gonna just bleach the knots while I'm at it because I have so much bleach left over. So I had to tint my lace. Hopefully it works. So I did bleach the knots. I did tint the lace. I also plucked it because it did not come pre-plucked. When I came to the realization that my lace was gray, I was like, I'm gonna just do something else instead of what I was originally going to do. But I mean, as far as the lace, I don't have a problem with the hair. The knots are bleached beautifully. The hair is beautiful itself. As you can see, it's twisted, so I was able to see the curl pattern and whatnot. It's beautiful. It's beautiful hair, don't get me wrong. It's just I wasn't feeling the lace. It kind of matches my hair. So this is the hair. Really pretty, really pretty, really pretty. It does, I mean, of course it sheds because it's curly hair. It's gonna shed. But it doesn't shed a lot, so that's just for me playing with the bundle, you know. But besides, you know, me plucking the frontal and stuff like that, it had minimal shedding, so I do also like that. So I have 4 boxes of this dark and lovely honey blonde. I'm gonna put an adjustable strap in it. And I'm also gonna lay it down with like what's that stuff called? Got to be spray. So hopefully it works because they say this is what they say what it'll look like after I put it on there. From this one, it should look like this. So hopefully it does, and you guys can just watch me do that. So I lied. I left it on there for about 2 hours just to see if it would change color, get lighter, and this was it. This was it. I got scammed. I got bamboozled. But I like it, so it's whatever. Okay, now I'm gonna try the wig on to make sure it fits. I'm also gonna cut the tabs off because I'm going to put an elastic band on the inside, and I don't want the part covering my ears. I don't want to accidentally sew on that part. I'm also cutting these bangs shorter. Yeah, them bangs just on my forehead like that was out, but whatever, just keep watching. What's up, y'all? I know y'all was waiting to see what this hair looked like, and this is what it came out to look like. I'm absolutely in love with this hair. I know I was shitting on the lace. I kind of fixed the lace because the lace tint did wash out when I dyed it. So I did kind of fix the lace, and you guys did see that. So I didn't have to do that bang situation. Cause I feel like I would have looked like Rick James, bitch. That was a no-go. But I really like this hair. I purchase from them again. I would. It's soft. The curls fell a lot, but not as much as I thought they would have. And it's really soft. And once it dries, it looks exactly like this. Like, it does shrink a little bit, but I'll also play with it as it dries to give it more volume, more body yaddy 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 yaddy. I do that to like give it more volume and body, but it looked just like this when it dry. So yes, I like this hair, love this hair. I made it to where I can actually wear it as a glueless. So this gonna be my thrown and go kind of wig, baby, because it's popping. Like, what? Look at that. And I think it's 26 inches. So it's 26 inches. So this is what it looks like. That's what it looks like wet. I think it only shrinks up to maybe an inch. When it's dry, I think it shrinks up to about an inch. But besides that, I don't have any complaints about the hair. The only complaint I have about this was that the lace was grayish. But I fixed that. I did me some little baby hairs, so I ain't tripping. And if you want to see the look for this, there's a video out. It comes out after this, so stay tuned. And I hope you guys like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.